Today, we celebrate the realization of our vision, a destination that combines luxury, convenience, and exceptional service. We are not just building a house, but we are building a community. Noong unang panahon, pagka sinabi mong bahay, ito yung kahuli-hulihang ipinupundar kasi malaki siya. So doon ko naisip na bigyan ng solusyon yung problema na yun. Na dati napakahirap magpundar, ngayon hindi na. A couple of years ago, yung kasing Tugigaraw, nagkaroon ng flash flood. Yung reservoir na dam dyan sa may Isabela, mag-o-over capacity, may tendency na sumabog yung dam. So they decided to release the water. Would you believe sa buong Magdamag, inabot ng tubig doon hanggang second floor ng bahay. So ang tendency ngayon nung mga taga-Tugigaraw, hanap ng higher elevation. Doon ako nakakuha ngayon ng idea na sabi ko, we have an alternative solution to the problem. That give birth to the Montana Misora Homes. It is a 10 to 15 minutes away from the town proper. So it's a growing province and we wanted to be part of that pag-ascenso ng lugar na yun. Yung project na yan is more or less mga 1,300 houses at a price of 2.2 to 2.5 million. It's a 2 to 3 bedrooms, house and lot. Meron kaming commercial space doon. Maglalagay pa kami ng malaking clubhouse. May iniisip pa kami maglalagay ng eskwelahan doon. Yung mga Montessori type, para yung mga just starting a family, imbis na dadalhin pa niya doon sa St. Paul University, doon lang may Montessori na. That way, siyempre, makakaroon din ng employment generation. We are not just building a house, but we are building a community. Bakit ba tinawag na Montana Misora Homes at bakit sa Cagayan? Ang Cagayan kasi, yun ang aking kung saan ako isinilang. Pangarap ko na magkaroon ng pabahay sa Cagayan para naman kahit papano meron akong ambag sa aking mga kababayan na kung saan yung aking expertise, lalo na particular sa mga pabahay, yung mga affordable housing para kahit yung common na tao sa aking mga kababayan ma-afford. Meron akong kapartner dito sa project nito na mga Japanese investor based in Tokyo, Japan. The name of the company is TAC Home.
私たちタクトホームは、とても慎重な会社であるため、共に事業をスタートするまでにとても時間がかかりました。それでも我々の、細かい質問にも適切に対応していただいて、我々のペースに合わせて一緒に歩んでくれる紳士的な会社になります。信用でき、信頼できる会社だからこそビジネスパートナーとして、一緒にやらせていただいております。
When we invited this Japanese group to the job site, they noticed na the project is higher in elevation with a panoramic view overlooking Metro Tugigaraw. So that gives them the idea to put the name Misora. That's a Japanese name. Means beautiful sky. Kaya sabi niya, pwede ba idoktong natin itong pangalan na ito? Kaya nabuo yung pangalang Montana Misora Homes. Kaya yung team nung design din ng mga houses doon, hango din sa inspiration ng Japanese design. And then, in-innovate namin, in-improve para sa ganon, mag-swak sa panlasa ng ating mga kababayan doon.
尊敬できる会社であることはもちろんですが、ボランティア活動だったり、社会貢献、そういうところにもしっかりと、率先して対応してくれている、従業員にも優しい会社である点がとても気に入っています。あとは社員それぞれに、とてもユーモアがあって、個性的で、皆さん楽しく仕事をしている会社になるため、そこもとてもいい点だと思っております。
Ang gusto kong iwanang legacy naman sa mga customer natin na bumibili ng pabahay natin. With my expertise as an engineer, I can make a special design for a lifetime benefit ng mga buyer. Bahay na matibay, quality, at pangmatagalan. Sa Montana Homes, tutulungan kang magkabahay.
family structure. It is a place where memories are made, families grow, and dreams are nurtured. Parang naman
In behalf of Ran Monaco and the Montana Home, I welcome you all to this Montana Misora Phase 2 Site Development Completion and Project Blessing.
Montana Homes being the best entrepreneurship.
Na isang napakagandang proyekto.
This project and they are really serious on the legality.
Congratulations po. Phase 2 na po ng ating Montana Misora Homes.
Magandang bahay din sa ating lahat.
Your hope is romantic is what they say. Falling in love just like our life.
So with that, ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo. At mabuhay po ang Enrile Cagayan. At mabuhay din ang Montana Homes. Thank you.